I've always enjoyed the comforting squeak of the aged floorboards beneath my bed, an oddly soothing symphony that lulled me to sleep every night, reminding me of the years this old house had seen, a testament to its history and resilience. But things have changed completely over the last month. The creaky rhythm was joined by whispers, ghostly murmurs that seep from the darkness beneath. Not just the wind or the house settling, but human words, passages, secrets whispered from the shadowy recesses below my mattress. At first, it was all incomprehensible murmurs, merely background noise. But then came the night the murmurs transformed into clear, ominous sentences. "Are you awake?" they'd whisper. "Can you hear us? Can you feel us?" Every night, the questions grew bolder, more menacing. My bedroom, once a sanctuary, has become a stage for these nocturnal interrogations. A presence, unseen, lurks beneath my bed, its phantom whispers chilling my blood. The history